Take this thing for a rip.
Yep. Dustin?
Dave.
What's up, bud?
Oh, you know, just getting ready to take this little guy for a test drive.
Yeah. Got a lot done this season. We redid the suspension again, put our stage 4 setup with coilovers in the rear, did a LS swap, bowler trans, quick rear, all the goodies make it work. So yeah, time to get moving on it. King of the Mountain coming up, so the track's all set up at UMI Motorsports Park, official test track of UMI Performance. So we'll take it up there, run it on that course. Should be pretty challenging, and be able to dial it in, get things set up right.
So if I drive it there, does that mean you get to drive around the track first?
Yeah, I believe so.
All right, well, let's get moving.
Yep, let's go. So arriving here at UMI Motorsports Park. It's a big weekend for us, King of the Mountain. I think it sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
But are you Michael Bay? That was some good cinematography. I still didn't get it right.
Cinnamon?
Cinnamography? Cinematography? What the f is that?
What the f is that? Oh, hey, we're mic'd up. Go around it. Just go around it. Go around it. Go around it. We're heating up. I can't drive in the grass. There's Ryan. You want to talk to him?
Nope.
It makes me giggle.
We're going to park this at the UMI Performance rig this weekend. We bring this rig all over the country, do a lot of shows from LS Fest, Syracuse Nationals, a bunch of Carlisle events, kind of get all over. So lots of opportunities to check out our builds, especially this Cutlass. We'll see you out there. King of the Mountain is one of the most prestigious autocross events, invitation only, and we set up some very challenging courses to put these cars to the test. This is the perfect time to get our Cutlass out here, put some laps in, and really put it through its paces. This gave us an opportunity to make some changes and adjustments in the car to really get it set up to run well on this course. Made a few clicks adjustment on our Viking coilovers and really allowed those Michelin tires to bite and eat. Did great in the corners, really had a blast out here. This is a good way to spend your work day.
King of the Mountain is the biggest night in autocross. The most elite drivers in the country come to battle for the prize. We'll let them take it from here.
We are excited, nerves are building, and it's a dramatic finish, and may the best man win.
The format that they use with the 2 qualifiers for day 1 and day 2, and then to get into the shootout with the knockout qualifying is one of my favorite events. It really puts the pressure on all of the drivers to drive it excellent. You can't hit any cones to make it all the way to the finals and get that $10,000.
Absolutely. Be right. Field, we might find out tonight.
Beautiful weekend, great people, ton of fans all over the place, great event.
Very exciting. There's lots of energy in the paddock right now, so super exciting. I'm really looking forward to driving. The course looks absolutely fantastic, and it's going to be great for the car that I'm driving, so we're going to have a great time.
Looking good, I gotta tell
King of the Mountain's a great evening up here at UMI Motorsports Park. It was great to get the Cutlass out here to put some laps on. Had a blast.
Thanks for sticking with us for the couple seasons of the Cutlass here. We have a lot of fun out there on the streets. We made a lot of friends along the way. We appreciate the like and the subscribes on the YouTube. Stay tuned, guys, because we are going to come back with something a little more rowdy, something that has just a little bit more pizzazz, and we hope you guys like it. What do you say, Dave?
Stick with us for next season. This one won't be one to miss. We got some real rowdy plans for this next project, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate all the feedback.